Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Warrior Plus. First, let's get you set up. Creating your free account is simple. Just provide your name, email, and choose a secure password. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which is your one central hub. It's designed for easy navigation, whether you're looking to sell your own products as a vendor or promote others' products as an affiliate. We'll cover both aspects to give you a full understanding of the platform's capabilities. Now, let's dive into finding great products to promote. The Warrior Plus Marketplace is a treasure trove of digital offers, from software to training courses. You can easily sort through hundreds of listings using filters like launch date or popularity. Pay close attention to key metrics such as average sales price, conversion rates, and refund percentages. These numbers provide valuable insights into an offer's potential, helping you choose products that align with your audience and marketing strategy for better results. Once you've identified a promising product, the next step is requesting affiliate approval from the vendor. Many vendors review requests manually, so a personalized message explaining your promotion strategy can significantly boost your chances. After approval, you'll receive your one unique affiliate link. This link is crucial for tracking all your referrals and ensuring you get credit for every sale. Remember, effective promotion involves more than just sharing a link. Consider creating valuable content around the product. Finally, let's talk about tracking your success and getting paid. Your affiliate dashboard provides real-time data on clicks, sales, and commissions earned. It's essential to regularly check these statistics to optimize your campaigns. Warrior Plus typically holds commissions for a short period to account for refunds, usually around 30 days. Once your earnings clear the minimum withdrawal threshold, you can easily request a payout to your chosen payment method, such as PayPal, ensuring you receive your hard-earned money efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.